Welcome to the first-time attendee orientation for the SEFA annual meeting being held November 4th through the 6th, 2015 in Hollywood, Florida. My name is David Sutton. I am the Executive Director and General Counsel of SEFA. SEFA's essential purpose is to promote the use of laboratory-grade furniture, fixtures, and related equipment. As we like to say, SEFA spells safe. The letters that spell SEFA, S-E-F-A, also spell the word safe. It is our firm belief that by the use of SEFA's recommended practices, that the safest possible labs will be built using what we believe to be laboratory-grade furniture, fixtures, and related equipment. There are three classes of SEFA membership. Executive members, which consist of manufacturers, suppliers, and suppliers of major components. There are currently 113 executive members located throughout the world. The second class of membership is sustaining members, and sustaining members consist of dealers and installers. There are currently 15 sustaining members. The last class of membership is associate members, and that class consists of architectural firms, lab planners, design firms, construction companies, engineering firms, and general contractors. There are currently 17 associate members, once again located throughout the world. Thus, SEFA at the current time has 145 total members. SEFA's board of directors consists of 4 officers and 5 at-large board members. The officers and at-large board members are listed on this slide. There is typically an annual election of these board members, and if anybody is interested in becoming a board member, we will send out a notice to the membership asking anyone who has such an interest to please submit their name for consideration. SEFA's advisory board members consist of the world's leading architects and lab planners. SEFA currently has 12 advisory board members, and they are listed in alphabetical order on this slide, along with the architectural lab planning firms that they are employed by. SEFA's desk reference is a very valuable tool for SEFA members. It contains not only all of the current recommended practices, but also has other useful information such as the bylaws and the code of ethics. SEFA is currently in its 5th edition of the desk reference, version 1.0. Every member is entitled to free copies of the desk reference. If you don't already have the desk reference, please let us know at SEFA headquarters, and we will make them available to you. Now, typically, SEFA will have 2 meetings a year. The annual meeting, which is held in the United States and is normally scheduled for November of each year. There is also an annual meeting in conjunction with Arab Lab. An Arab Lab typically takes place sometime in the month of March each year. For 2016, Arab Lab will take place March 20th through the 23rd. And SEFA will be present. Its members exhibit at Arab Lab, and we will have a welcome reception as well as a dinner reception in conjunction with Arab Lab. For 2016, we will also have a meeting in conjunction with Analytica China. That meeting will take place in Shanghai in conjunction with Analytica China, and that will take place October 10th through the 12th, 2016. What SEFA tries to do for its members, we try to negotiate a competitive room rate at a hotel that is close to the trade show where our members will be exhibiting. Thus, for the Arab Lab 2016 trade show, SEFA has negotiated a very favorable room rate of $218 per night, including breakfast and Wi-Fi, at the H Hotel in Dubai. The H Hotel is just a walk away from the Trade Center, so it's very conveniently located. SEFA will also be hosting its welcome reception and dinner reception at the H Hotel. SEFA has various committees. Most of these committees are the recommended practice committees. As you can see on the first slide, SEFA 1 through 8 are many of the recommended practice committees. Each committee should consist of co-chairs. That is, two people that are equally responsible for the work of their committee. As you can see, some of our committees currently are missing a co-chair. If anyone would like to volunteer to be a co-chair for any of those committees, please let us know, and we'll make the necessary arrangements with each of the committees to consider your name as a co-chair. The second slide of committees shows 4 other recommended practice committees, as well as other committees such as the Advisory Board Committee, the BIM Committee, Code of Ethics, SEFA International, and Strategic Goals. Now, the way to participate in these committees is simply to attend and contribute. The committees typically will have one physical meeting a year in conjunction with the SEFA annual meeting held in the United States. But we also have web meetings for each one of these committees. In 2015, we held 3 web meetings for each of these committees, and announcements of those web meetings went out to all of the members well in advance of those committee meetings. For 2016, we're going to have 2 web meetings per year, as well as the physical meeting in the United States sometime in November of 2016. You will be getting notices of those web meetings. We encourage everyone to attend and participate in that committee work. Lastly, many people ask, what is the proper dress code for the SEFA annual meeting? And we typically like to tell people that it is neat business casual. Thus, what I'm wearing would be considered neat business casual, and you will not go wrong if you dress with a sport jacket, a shirt, and a nice pair of pants. Some people will be a little bit more formal and will actually wear business suits and ties, but you can just be business casual. Thank you very much for attending our orientation for new attendees. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to contact us at SEFA. Thank you very much.